Hey everybody, it's Poochie. I am in the studio. We had a pallet delivered today. Betsy was not on the pallet, but so it's a wrecking mess in here right now. But she went thrifting because I asked her to, because I haven't been able to get out to thrift lately. And so, thank you, Betsy.
You're welcome.
She is one of Poochie's pickers, so let's see how she did. Okay, here is the Betsy cam in the store. Merry Christmas, everybody. That is my gorgeous teenage son with the long hair. Lots of DVDs. They have a lot of DVDs at this location. And hey, man, don't look past DVDs just because, a lot of people stream stuff now. DVDs still sell really well on Amazon and on eBay. Glassware galore. Ah, very funny. Diet with the little pig glass. Yeah, New Year's resolution. Every year. World's Best Boss. Buy that for me. This is pink, the little Victoria's Secret pink lunch bag. She did pick this up. And then, look, more DVDs. We're going to have to go when we have time to, just sit and scan. They have lots of shoes here, but on this visit, we didn't find anything. She didn't find anything because she said a lot of it was really worn and dirty. So, purses, Betsy always loves going through purses. She did not pick this one up. I think she should have. It's cute. Looks like it's got a little face there on it. This one's kind of cool, too. The hot air balloon purse, but she said no dice. She was being picky. And this one's either South Pole or North Pole. She, can't remember. She did pick that one up because she liked it. And then looking through, didn't really see anything that floated her boat. Oh, went right by, the Harley, because it was a tank top. Probably she didn't get it because it's winter. Just looking and looking and looking. Nothing is really jumping out until Hogwarts. We love buying and selling Harry Potter stuff, especially the cool stuff. So this had the big, huge Hogwarts on it. So she decided to pick that one up. Other than that, that's all she got. Should have gotten that and that and that and that, Betsy.
I was being picky.
She said she was being really picky. It was the day after Christmas, so we were tired also. I was so tired, I was passed out in the car when she was inside shopping, I think. So we will be back to shop there soon. Love this thrift store. I like that Taco Bell shirt. That was kind of cool. I like the weird stuff, though. Looking through. Being very picky. You're being so picky, you aren't even looking at tags. Being picky and tired. So obviously we need to go back and see what's actually there. But thought you guys would like thrifting with Betsy. She is part of Poochie's Pickers and loves thrifting, loves going to garage sales, loves going to flea markets, etc., etc. So since we live in a military town, we are always finding military stuff, t-shirts and clothing, which is pretty cool. Now let's go over to the toys, hard goods. What you got for me? Dun, 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 dun. A little bit stingy there with the purchases, Bets.
I was tired.
It was the day after Christmas, and I was like, we got to do a video, so.
And we had moved furniture.
And we had moved furniture. Well, you had. I was starting to get sick. As you can tell, I'm sick. I've been sick ever since, Christmas. So, yeah, but she did pretty good. She got 3 things. When you aren't really feeling, the mood of thrifting, then you don't want to buy stuff just to buy stuff, right?
Right.
So, she did a good job. Remember to
Buy low.
sell high, subscribe!